Ever wondered why some plants thrive better when they grow close to certain other plants? Welcome to the captivating world of companion planting. This is a natural method that enhances plant growth, aids pest control, and boosts pollination. It's a time-tested strategy, widely embraced by organic gardeners. Imagine your garden as a bustling community where plants are more than just neighbors. They're buddies, working in unison, lending each other a helping hand. It's like having best friends in your garden helping each other to grow and thrive. So, how does one go about companion planting? Firstly, the secret sauce lies in selecting the right plants that mutually benefit each other. Plants like tomatoes and basil, for instance, are great sidekicks. They not only boost each other's growth, but also enhance their flavors. Once you've picked your perfect pair, it's time to plant them in close proximity. This allows them to share resources and protect each other from pests. Yes, you heard it right. Some plants can shoo away pests that are harmful to their companions. However, it's not all about playing matchmaker. You also have to consider factors like sunlight, soil type, and water needs. For instance, if one plant loves the sun while the other prefers shade, they might not make the best roommates. In essence, companion planting is a delicate dance. It's about creating a harmonious environment where plants support each other's growth. Remember, patience and observation are your best tools in this green journey. Remember, it's all about creating a harmonious environment where plants can support each other's growth. So, what should you keep in mind when thinking about companion planting? It boils down to a few key points. Remember, it's all about fostering growth naturally. By planting companions, you enhance growth, bolster natural pest control, and boost pollination. But don't just pair up plants willy-nilly. Do your homework. Understand which plants thrive together. It's about creating harmonious pairings that mutually benefit each other. With companion planting, you're not just growing plants, you're creating a garden community. Isn't it amazing how nature works together? The magic of companion planting can make your garden thrive. We urge you to give it a go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!